you juggling all that stuff you're supposed to be doing, but not ticking off what really matters at the end of the day? Using To-Do List will get rid of the stress and replace it with something you're actually motivated by. Because you'll be using proven strategies to consistently achieve your goals. For example, studies say people who write down their goals are 43% more likely to achieve them. So the first strategy using To-Do List is to get all of those to-dos out of your head. And breathe a sigh of relief when they're organised in one place, taking the worry out of having to remember. The next strategy is to use the task description column to list each task and make them specific and actionable. The Auto Schedule button schedules your tasks appropriately, avoiding overlaps that may prevent you from getting them done. And using To-Do Lists will eliminate procrastination, the enemy of success. For example, the Today's Focus button leaves no room for procrastination. It gives you a list of your top priorities for the day so you can hit the ground running. The analysis tools in To-Do Lists make it quick and easy to focus on your progress. Get an automatic visual snapshot on your dashboard, or take a look at the calendar view for your monthly activities. If you're using To-Do List as more of a project management tool, the timeline view is a great way to focus on progress. This view in To-Do List shows the activities underway across teams and timeframes over a rolling 10-week window. As with all the analysis features, it can be filtered to drill down on certain aspects. So why not give To-Do List a go today? You'll have a plan in no time, giving you direction, clarity and focus. Click the button below to start your free trial.